everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Pabs and Live Storytelling Ideas. Today, we're whipping up something truly spectacular. A stunning citrus meringue pie. Forget just lemon. We're using a mix of lemons, limes, and oranges for a bright, zesty filling that will blow your mind. First, we'll make a buttery, flaky crust from scratch. Well, that's blind bacon to golden perfection. We'll get started on a vibrant citrus curd. It's a simple mix of fresh juice, zest, sugar, eggs, and a little butter, cooked until it's thick and silky smooth. Once the crust is ready, we pour in that luscious filling. Now for the grand finale, the meringue. We'll whip egg whites and sugar into glossy, stiff peaks. Pile it high onto the pie, creating beautiful swirls and spikes. Then, we'll torch it until it's gorgeously browned and toasty. The result is a perfect balance of sweet, tart, and creamy with a crunchy crust. It's an absolute show. You have to try this. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.